Hello everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. Okay guys, as you can see, I am out on the front porch, and here's where we're going to start with our spring cleaning. There you can see the light is pretty dirty, so I need to clean that. And then you can see there's some wasps nest that's up there from last year, so we need to spray all that down to get rid of all of that going on up there on the ceiling. And then as we come down to the door, some of the black has scraped off here, so we need to wash down the door because it's pretty dirty, and we need to repaint it, the door and the side window here. And then this here has really been weathered so I've got to figure out what we need to do to that, but I'm thinking we can paint it. As we come to the porch, spray wash the porch also. And then we're going to come to the rails. Where it comes to be a problem is right down here near the steps. For some odd reason, they start to rust here. As you can see, it is rusty going all the way down. Buy some Rust-Oleum paint and paint these rails. Now, if we're going to paint these, we got to paint every rail here, including up on the porch. That's what we're going to do. We're going to clean this up, and then after we clean it up and spray it off and sweep it off and touch up paint, then we will decorate. The first step we do before pressure washing is soak the ceiling, door, porch, and steps with a detergent and bleach solution. This lifts the dirt, grime, and stains from the surface, and then we will pressure wash after that. A great day to paint the banister. It's so sunny out here, so we're going to go ahead and get this done. As you can see, we taped off some of the porch so the overspray won't get on the stucco. Okay, love, so here is the spray paint that we will be using. It's very high temperature spray paint for engines. It's an engine enamel spray paint. The temperatures is great for up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is a great product to use out there on our banister on the front porch, because that banister is always in the sun. And I think it needs something a little bit more tougher than your regular spray paint. So we'll be using this, and hopefully this will hold up pretty well in the months to come. We will see. And if so, then we will continue to use it in the future. I think this can of paint was about $8 and some change at an auto craft store. Isn't that pretty? Nice, beautiful, black and shiny. Gorgeous. The porch looks so clean. All the bird droppings and everything is gone. And the steps look very nice. The banisters are gorgeous. Okay, everyone, next we are going to do this door. We'll be painting it black. All of these scuff marks, and it has been weathered. You can just tell it has it's not a complete black, it's more like an off black now. We're going to take off these locks and then repaint them also. So this is the paint we'll be using on the door. It's by HDTV Home, Sherwin-Williams. Interior and exterior high gloss paint. Smart Dry technology ready in just 2 hours. So we'll be using this on the door, and this is maybe a pint, and I think it should cover the whole door, and that's one step closer to decorating. Okay guys, so we start prepping for the door. As you can see, we done put some painter tape around the window so we can protect that, and we've already painted the side light. It looks very nice, nice and black. So now we're going to take off this lock system so we can paint that, and then we can start on the door. Okay everyone, I hope you can see it's very sunny out here, but we are done with the painting. Now he's taking the lock and going to paint that, all the accessories that went with the lock. He's going to paint those, and then we put those back on the door. But the door looks nice. That roller method, it looks much better. You don't have those brush strokes. So this is the paint we used on the lock and handle system. It's the same paint that we used on the outside rails on the front porch, but this color is gunmetal. And let me show you what it looks like. See some of the speckles in there. It's like a silver gray. This is going to be really, really pretty against that black door, I think. So we shall see. If not, then we just paint it over in black, but I think I'm going to like it though. Okay everyone, the door is done. Look at that lock, that nice color against that black. It is so, so pretty. I love it. Just love it. I think it really brings out that black. I'm liking the change. So the door is completed. The wasp nest is gone. The lights are nice and clean, and everything looks very nice up there. Okay everybody, it's time to decorate this front porch. I am so excited. Everything looks so nice. The banisters and everything, it looks great. It looks just like it was when we moved in. Okay, so I'm gonna get started, and I'm out of breath. We are going to start decorating, and I'll put on some music, and then we'll talk about what we done. Okay everyone, this is what I have just for the spring season. I will add more items like flowers and things of that nature once it comes to be summer. I am going to leave it like this until probably May or so, and then we'll do another video of how I decorate my entry for summer. So let's take a look and see what we have. So as you come up the stairs, we come to this beautiful sculpture here. I purchased this from Grandin Road, a cement color with some moss looking paint or accents on it. It's very, very beautiful. Love it. These two parts here unscrew, and you can put rocks or dirt down here to make it nice, heavy and sturdy, that it won't fall over. I believe it was something like maybe $100 or so. I think that's what I paid for it, but that wasn't full price. I think the actual price was close to $200 or so. It stands about 3 feet tall, and I think it looks beautiful. It adds a nice structural accent to the front porch. And now we come to this gorgeous welcome mat, and I can't remember the price, so if I get the price, I'll put it all in the description box for the things that I purchased here. But I purchased the striped one from Amazon. It may have been about $30–40. The welcome mat is from either Grandin Road or Front Gate. Can't remember, but I think it was also something like $40 or so. Then everybody are familiar with this large lantern. I use this all the time in and outside. Inside the lantern, there is a topiary, a very nice pairing to the cone topiary that we have beside it. And I love that black lantern. Then we come to the black planter. This planter is the same type of planter that's in the back area where I decorated. So I have a total of 3. I am going to get one more so I can have 2. Then I can flank both sides of this door. The planter is $60 from Target. Then we come to the cone tree. Now these cone tree came from Big Lots. I've been trying to get another one, but they've been having the spiral tree this year, and I'm just having a hard time trying to find another cone tree from them. This beautiful, beautiful boxwood wreath. It is a 19-inch wreath. I love, 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 love it. It's very green. It has those beautiful yellow accents in them. I purchased this from Amazon a year or so ago, and I think it was $40 or $50. Like I said, I will put all the prices in the description box below, so don't quote me on the prices. But I love this. I paired it with a black and white, let's see, this was an inch ribbon that I had for years. I think I purchased it maybe from Michael's, or I could have ordered it online. I'm not sure. Gorgeous pop of black and white against the green and the outside decor. So I just love it. Oh, and there was one more other thing that I purchased from Amazon is this beautiful, beautiful hanger. It came in brass, but I spray painted in a chrome silver, and then I sealed it against the weather so it won't turn colors. But I just love this. It is a substantial piece that hangs any type of decor, be it flowers, or it could go in front of your fireplace screen, and it's just perfect with this green boxwood wreath. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right against the door. So here's a great tip. You see how I put that adhesive back felt? You can purchase these at Michael's for about $1.50, I believe it is, for an 8x11 sheet. And I love using this keep from it scratching the nice painted door. And I put it all the way to the parts that actually touch the door, and I think that should be a good protection against scratches. And thank you for joining me today. Hopefully I've inspired you to decorate your front porch for this spring cleaning season, and also given you a few tips you can use to spruce up your space. I'll see you on the next one. Like what you see? Don't forget to follow me, Breeze Project Book. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you would, please subscribe and click the bell twice and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to search the video library for ideas, tips, and inspiration. And remember, a beautiful and organized home begins one project at a time. See you on the next one. Smooches!